In this week's video, I want to dive into the concept of the business model and what your business model is. If you've been watching any of my videos, you probably have heard me say it over and over again that the Accountant Success Formula is a way to update your business model. But what is the business model and why does it matter? Like, why would I want to update my business model? If my accounting practice, I'm fine with it, everything's good. Why do I need to update it? I want to dive into that question. I want to show you exactly why you would want to look at updating your model. But first, what we should do is let's start with the definition of a business model. So we even know, so we're on the same playing field in terms of what this is. And so one of the definitions that I really love is that a business model is it's the description of the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. Okay, so that's the we'll call that's our definition we're going to work with the business model, which I love that. It describes the rationale on how a business creates, delivers, and captures value, because that's what businesses do. And your accounting practice does the same thing. So there's this concept of three freedoms that I've looked at in my practice and all the practices I've worked in. And every accountant and every business owner, it works the same for business owners, are looking for these three freedoms. So think about this. You want to make more money, right? So you want to make money and you want to work with great clients. You want to work with clients that aren't price sensitive, that love what you do and are willing to pay what you are charging for your services. And you want some free time for your practice, from your accounting practice, and business owners want to have free time away from that. This isn't one that accountants do very well, especially tax time. There's no free time. So the thing is, if you look at your accounting practice and you go, am I making the money I want? If you're not, you need to update your business model. And if I'm not attracting the right clients, what do you need to do? Well, you need to update your business model. And if you're not getting the free time in your accounting practice, then you need to update your business model. And that's why I keep coming back to the business model. And I truly believe the traditional accounting firm business model is flawed. It creates this fictitious notion that our worth is equal to how many hours we work, that our clients are naturally price sensitive to our services, and that tax time just has to suck, and they're all not true. But the problem is, it's not the accountants, it's not us as professionals that are having the problem, it's the accounting firm. It's the accounting firm model. It's the profession that is brainwashed into thinking that we need to stick with our traditional business model. And so in the Accountant Success Formula, what I show accounting firms how to do is to move away from a billable hour model to a subscription-based value pricing model, and to stop just pounding out as many tax returns as they possibly can and move towards a more reliant relationship with their clients so that they attract higher quality clients. And ultimately, it increases the profitability of your practice, gives you the free time because you're not going to be killing yourself in tax season, and you're going to have clients that are willing to pay you more money. So this is the concept, the business model. Like, go back and so maybe ask yourself these three questions. It's like, what is my business model right now? How does my accounting practice create, deliver, and capture value? Are you creating value by just doing billable hours? Or what is the value that you're actually creating for your clients? This gets you start to think and you start looking at the underlying model that you're using. First of all, step one is, what is your business model? Number two, is it working for you? Is it giving you the money, the clients, and the time that you deserve? And if it isn't, then I highly recommend you look at updating your business model. Then the third question you're going to ask yourself is, well, what is my business model? If your business model isn't working for you, then three, how do I update my business model? And that's exactly why I created the Accountant Success Formula program. It's to show professional accounting firms how to update their business model so that they can get these three freedoms: money, clients, and time. So there you go. That's what I mean by updating your business model. I'm Eric Solbach, and wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave a comment for me, and stay tuned for more success tips to come.